Thank you for joining us today. Today, what we have here is a TH320 Hardness Tester. Okay, this item has both Rockwell and Rockwell superficial unit, and also other type of units such as HRA, HRB, HRC, and so on. Okay, now what I'm going to share with you is how to operate this item. Firstly, at the back here, after you have plugged in everything is set up, you turn this on. And then you can see the last setting that is made by the previous user. So what you can see here is the scale, which is the same. Now it's using HRB, using a 1/16 steel ball, and the dwell loading 2 seconds, and the dwell reading is 1 second. Okay, each of these parameters you can change. Okay, firstly, how to use this item is you need to change according to your sample. So the scale is you press the menu. And then you can change the scale by pressing enter at 1. Here you have scale that you can choose from. Okay, so to show, I'm going to test the sample, which is HRB at 93.7. So I have to choose HRB. Next, the dwell loading and dwell reading. You can either choose to increase or decrease this according to your sample also, and you can go up to okay. Now after changing everything according to our sample, you can go back to the menu and see what it states. Okay, now it's saying using a 1/16 steel ball. So what I have here is the indenter, which is a 1/16 steel ball. Okay, and it's according to what is recommended here. And I should be using 100 kilogram of force. So at the side here, three set of measurement that you can choose. Okay, by operating this level up or down. Okay, example here, so I'm using 150. Next, I'm using 100 force, and the last is I'm using 60. This is also according to your samples. We should be using 100 times 9.8 Newton. Okay, so after we're making sure that what is stated on the screen here is tallying with our instrument. Okay, now I'll be testing this sample. As I've said before, this is the HRB sample with the 93.7 reading. Okay, so make sure that we place it properly on this item, on the pen. Now, as we slowly raise this sample towards the indenter, take a look at the display. Now, as I'm approaching the indenter and I'm touching it, the display turns to arrows. So this arrow must be full from the beginning until the end. So to do that, you have to turn this clockwise. You have to turn the table clockwise slowly until it reaches the end, meaning that the testing can be done. Okay, one more, and then you hear a beep and the testing begin. The display is saying loading. So now it is pushing the indenter into the sample, and it is staying in the indenter for 2 seconds and unloading again. Okay. Now it is saying 90.8 HRB. Okay, it is plus minus acceptable inside the range. Okay, now so to take another reading, you have to remove it from the indenter pick another place, pick another point that hasn't been indented, and then you start the process again until you see arrows pointing towards right. Okay, now it's 90.5 HRV. Now the advantages of using this benchtop rather than using a portable one is there is less limitation in terms of weight and in terms of items minimum thickness. Okay, for portable one, yes, you have the flexibility and also you have the easiness of usage, but this one you can reach higher hardness and also you can have less thickness of sample that you can take measurement of. Okay, after that we have another type which is the R or RS button, which is you can change from Rockwell to Rockwell superficial. Okay, by pressing down and pressing enter, the same loop changing, meaning now it's changing from Rockwell to Rockwell superficial loading, meaning it is only using 15 kg of force rather than 150 just now, or 100 or 30 or 60. Now, and also it is saying we have to change from a steel ball to a diamond cone, so this indenter must be changed according to what is said here. Okay. So let's have a look on the scale. Okay, we have a range of scale that you can choose from, and this one is according to your sample. Firstly, the user must know the range of scale that they wish to use, and then you can choose it from here. And to make things easier, everything will be the type of indenter and also the type of force that you can use is stated on the screen. You just have to follow it, and also make sure that you are using the correct weight and indenter. So that's how easy that you can use to take measurement using this TH320 time harness.